Welcome to episode 3, Keyword Research, the foundation of SERP success. Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the art of keyword research. Now this is, for me, one of my favorite and most important parts of determining strategy for the direction of your website and the kind of clients or users that you want to attract. Making sure that you've got the right tool stack, you've got the right computer aided, generated and human search terms is going to be absolutely critical when it comes to seeing success. So today I'm going to be uncovering with you a specific process to ensure you get the most out of your keyword research. So guys, keyword research is a little bit like Tom Cruise's film selection during the course of his career. When you are used to or positioned to play a particular type of character, we thank you, Tom, for Top Gun, we thank you, Tom, for Mission Impossible, then it makes a lot of sense to think with the audience that you have in mind. So with that in mind, I ask you, have you ever heard of Lions and Lambs or Rock of Ages? Nope, neither have I. Sorry, Tom, you didn't quite get it right with that one. And that probably tells you why it's so important to ensure that you optimize for the right keywords with the right search intent. So we're going to be going through the CBS News approach, Snoop Dogging it, and the FFP. Let's go. So I want to walk you through something that we call the CBS News approach, which is ChatGPT, Bard, and Semrush. And it can go in that order. The reason for that order is that ChatGPT 4 right now has publicly accessibly at least the most advanced language learning model. And then you have Bard, which gives you up-to-date content and is of course by Google, who we're interested in. And then we've got the bad boy that's Semrush. So what you want to do in terms of the order is go on to ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 3.5, or even a newer one if it's already been released, and ask ChatGPT, can you give me some relevant keywords for your industry? ChatGPT will give you a whole range of keywords, and then you can ask it some follow-up and some further questions. For example, give me some keywords that could be easy to rank for. Give me some keywords that are, and you can insert whatever preference you have. This will build up your keyword initial list, if you will. Now, you've got that initial list, and you can, in parallel, do the same thing on Bard, and you can add or change any variations, and you can even set a time duration for each of them. And once you've got these two lists, you can combine them, and between them, you'll begin to potentially, just by knowing the industry, some interesting keywords to think about trying to go for, trying to rank for, and otherwise. And now, because you need to answer the next question, what about keyword volume? What about keyword difficulty? What is the competition doing when it comes to these keywords? So once you've got that list of keywords, that is where Semrush comes into play. And using Semrush, you can batch upload that list, you can investigate the quality of that list, and you can supplement that list with anything else that you might think of or discover to generate your initial list of awesome keywords. So there you have it, the CBS News approach. So now we've done the CBS News part. Now let's Snoop Dogg it. What do I mean? So what we want to do is identify, and you will know this, and if you don't, here's a hint. Go back to ChatGPT, go back to Bard, who your competition are, and you want to snoop around a little bit like a dog who's got a scent on a trail to start identifying what are your competition putting on their website. What are your competition doing in terms of their main pages? What are your competition doing in terms of ranking on Google? Again, you can go to point 3 of the CBS News approach and plug it in to Semrush just to investigate and to build out your keyword database. So it's then flush with additional keywords based upon what your competition are doing, because once more, you'll identify even more keywords you could potentially consider ranking for. So once we've got that whole keyword ecosystem, we can then move to the FFP. Let's do it. So now we come to the FFP, content or keywords that are fit for purpose. And this is where it really relates to the intent of a search. And that's where Semrush comes in because it can give you a breakdown of different types of keywords based upon the intent. Is it informational? Is it transactional? Is it commercial? So examples of that might be informational. What is coffee catering? Transactional could be, and it can be quite similar to commercial. It could be events coffee caterer, and commercial would be hire a coffee catering company. So these are the nuances to think about when it comes to your keyword selection. Semrush will give you that advice, and then together you'll have the bare bones of an amazing keyword strategy. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hey guys, we've come to the end of the episode, and just to recap, we went through the CBS News approach, Snoop Dogging it, and the FFP. And now, let's look forward to episode 4.